So guys, the problem with this car right here is that, well, it's one of the problems, probably not the only problem, but if you can see right there, that's one coil, two coils, and three. These were good. They had the bolts in there holding them down. This third one is, as you can see, there's a screw in there with a bunch of washers, and it pretty much was just loose. It was loose, and probably a reason for the misfire. So I'm probably gonna have to replace the entire valve cover, which is okay because this car needed the maintenance. It's been leaking oil. As you can see, the valve covers are oily. That valve cover is like really oily. Look at that. That's not good. So we're gonna get this thing taken care of, so the owner can get back to driving like a responsible citizen.